Swamiji to grace the occasion. They are a constant source of inspiration and motivation for all of us, and it is only because of them that events such as these become a success. I would like to request respected Principal and Vice Principal Sir to formally greet them by presenting bouquets. Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir. Thank you, sir. We also have amidst us distinguished guests today due to his ill health. We wish him a speedy recovery. Instead, he has sent his representative, Mr. Vasantbhai Patel, who is representing Mr. Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir to formally greet him with bouquets. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion. We are awaiting the arrival of the principal of J competition. Elocution, as the English laureates have described, is nothing but one's manner of speaking or oral delivery. It is a form of public speaking, sounds and proper pronunciation, accent and style, followed by tone and diction, and obviously the use of that helps to break the monotony of speech by lending a rhythm and music to it. Both these forms and of any language that helps foster a faster development of it in us. We at Vatsalya completely understand the importance of elocution and singing in the overall personality development of a child. And this is reflected in organizing programs such as these. Once again, on behalf of the Vatsalya School, I extend my warm welcome to our chief guests, other distinguished guests, members of the management, the teaching faculty, the students, to the 7th English Elocution and Singing Competition. Wishing all the participants to perform to the best of their abilities. Let's all come together, participate and enjoy and make this event a grand success. Thank you.
I would like to request our Honorable Swamiji and other guests to come forward and light up the auspicious